In today's video, how to find trending reels on Instagram. First, open an Instagram app on your phone, and then tap on Reels button at the bottom center of screen. This will take you to Reels feed, where you can swipe through various reels. Look for reels with a lot of likes and views to identify a popular one. To find trending reels using specific effect, swipe right to open a camera, and at the bottom tap on Reel to switch over Reels mode. At the top left tap on Effects, little star icon, and in the effects gallery, tap on Trending tab at the top. This will show you most popular effects currently being used in Reels. Select any trending effect, for example tap on this one, and this will bring up effects page, showing all Reels using that effect. Scroll through to see which Reels have most views and likes, giving you insights into what's trending. Try different effects by tapping on them. Tap on effects name right under the camera to see reels using this effect, and analyze which reels are trending with this filter.